kvCORE is a powerful customer relationship management or CRM platform specifically designed for real estate professionals. This tool provides a suite of features tailored to help real estate agents and brokers manage their client relationships, automate marketing efforts, and optimize lead generation. This video provides a comprehensive overview of how to effectively use kvCORE in 2024, breaking down its primary functions, features, and benefits. So basically, kvCORE is a comprehensive CRM solution for real estate professionals, designed to streamline everything from lead generation and nurturing to automated marketing and transaction management. Built to integrate with a wide array of real estate tools and services, kvCORE provides agents and brokers with a centralized platform for managing every stage of the real estate sales cycle. This makes it easy to keep track of leads, engage clients, and close deals more efficiently. With its AI powered lead generation and customizable automation workflows, kvCORE helps real estate teams build long term client relationships and improve their operational efficiency. So, for the key features and benefits of kvCORE, first is its lead generation and nurturing. kvCORE's AI driven lead generation engine captures and nurtures leads from various sources, including websites, social media, and other integrated channels. The platform offers tools for segmenting leads and delivering targeted marketing campaigns based on lead behavior and preferences. By automating the lead generation process, kvCORE helps agents and brokers maximize lead capture and conversion rates. The AI powered segmentation allows agents to provide personalized outreach, which increases engagement and enhances the overall client experience. Another key feature is the Smart CRM and automated follow ups. kvCORE Smart CRM provides automated follow up features that ensure timely communication with clients. Users can set up custom triggers and schedules, automating messages, reminders, and notifications to stay top of mind with potential buyers and sellers. Automated follow ups reduce the chance of losing valuable leads by keeping clients engaged throughout the buying or selling process. This feature also helps agents maintain relationships with past clients, increasing the potential for referrals and repeat business. Another key feature is their marketing automation and campaigns. kvCORE offers a range of marketing automation tools, including email, text, and social media campaigns. The platform provides pre-built templates for various marketing scenarios and allows agents to set up customized multi-channel campaigns that are tailored to each lead status. Marketing automation saves agents time by allowing them to set up campaigns that run automatically, providing consistent outreach and brand visibility without requiring manual intervention. This feature helps maintain strong client engagement and increases the likelihood of conversion. Another key feature is its property management and listings. The, plat- the platform integrates with MLS or multiple listing service systems, allowing agents to easily manage and showcase property listings. kvCORE offers customizable IDX websites, which allow agents to display listings directly on their personal or agency websites. By integrating MLS listings into a branded website, agents can provide clients with a seamless browsing experience. This helps attract and retain visitors, as clients can search for properties and request more information without leaving the agent's site. Another key feature is the transaction management tools. kvCORE's transaction management system simplifies the paperwork and administrative tasks associated with closing deals. The platform offers tools for tracking key transaction milestones, sending notifications, and sharing documents securely. Transaction management tools reduce administrative overhead and ensure that all parties are informed and updated throughout the sales process. This leads to a more efficient transaction flow, helping agents close deals faster and with fewer complications. Another key feature is its mobile app and on the go access. kvCORE's mobile app provides on the go access to CRM features, allowing agents to respond to leads, manage appointments, and stay updated on transactions from anywhere. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Mobile access ensures that agent can work efficiently while out in the field. With full CRM functionality on mobile, agents can maintain productivity, respond to client inquiries promptly, and access important information when they're away from their desks. Another key feature is its team collaboration and management. kvCORE provides tools for team collaboration, including lead routing, performance tracking, and team based marketing campaigns. Managers can monitor agent performance and distribute leads among team members based on specific criteria. So, for the advantages of using kvCORE for real estate professionals, kvCORE's tailored approach to real estate CRM means it meets the specific needs of agents and brokers, offering solutions that enhance productivity and client engagement. Its ability to automate lead generation, marketing, and follow up processes reduces the time spent on administrative tasks and allows agents to focus on building client relationships. Additionally, kvCORE's integrated MLS and IDX tools ensure agents can promote listings directly, creating a seamless client experience. So basically, in conclusion, kvCORE is a powerful CRM platform that empowers real estate professionals to enhance client interactions, improve lead management, and streamline the buying and selling process. Its AI driven automation, marketing tools, and robust transaction management capabilities make it ideal for agents and brokers looking to stay competitive in a fast paced industry. So, for those aiming to boost productivity, build long lasting client relationships, and increase lead conversion rates, kvCORE offers a comprehensive and intuitive solution tailored to the demands of real estate. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.